Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will go over my stock investment portfolio. Right now, my portfolio is worth $95,230.62. In the past year, I am up $30,240.72. Year to date for the year 2024, I am currently up $6,040.16. Today was a green day for me. I gained $521.60 during the day. However, after hours, I am down $86.84. Let's go over my positions. For my options, I'm selling Amazon $190 covered calls. These expire June 21st. My total return, I am down $30. I'm selling Disney $115 covered calls. These expire June 21st. My total return, I am down $3. I'm selling PayPal $65 covered calls. These expire June 21st. My total return, $556. I'm selling SoFi $9 covered calls. These expired June 21st. My total return, $150.86. I'm selling Verizon $39 covered calls. These expired June 21st. My total return, I am down $132. I'm selling LUV $28 covered calls. These expired July 5th. My total return, I am down $115. I'm selling Google $180 covered calls. These expired July 19. My total return, $241. I'm selling Robinhood $18 covered calls. These expire July 19. My total return, $920. I'm selling Starbucks $75 covered calls. These expire July 19. My total return, I am down $236. I'm selling SoFi $8 covered calls. These expire July 19. My total return, $0. For my stocks, I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $176.28. My average cost is $98.95. My total return is $23,202.50. I have 6,000 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $6.89. My average cost is $5.62. My total return is $7,600.80. I have 300 shares of Disney. Disney is at $104. My average cost, $60. My total return, $13,200. I have 1,000 shares of Robinhood. Robinhood is at $20.98. My average cost, $17.53. My total return, $3,454.70. I have 500 shares of Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines is at $26.84. My average cost, $28.03. Total return, I am down $595. I have 100 shares of Google. Google is at $172.38. My average cost, $142.48. My total return, $2,990. I have 200 shares of PayPal. PayPal is at $63.02. My average cost, $57.70. My total return, $1,064. I have 200 shares of Verizon. Verizon is at $41.15. My average cost, $39.31. My total return, $368.10. I have 200 shares of Starbucks. Starbucks is at $80.10. My average cost, $78.15. My total return, $390.50. This is a margin account. My margin total is $113,193.81. My margin used is $111,863.87, which leaves me with $1,329.94 in buying power. My margin status is low risk. My buffer is $42,375.37. This is how much more money I can lose before I get margin called. My annual interest rate is 6.25%. The daily interest that I am paying is $17.61. And I am borrowing $2,000 interest free. I did make some changes to my portfolio today. For my Amazon covered calls, I used to have a strike price of $200. However, I lowered this to $190. Right now, Amazon is at $176.28, and I was not confident that it would reach $200 per share by the expiration date, so I lowered it a little bit to $190. The way I see it, I win either way because I gain more premium by lowering the strike price to $190, and if Amazon were to actually go up to $190 per share, I'll be happy with that too. So it's a win-win situation, in my opinion. Similar thing with Disney. I used to have a $120 strike price for my covered calls. I lowered this to $115. Right now, Disney is at $104. So I gain a little bit more premium by lowering the strike price to $115. And if Disney were to go up to $115, I'll be happy about that too. So that's a win-win. I did try to change the strike price of all of my SoFi covered calls to $8 per share, down from $9. However, as you can see, I still do have some SoFi $9 covered calls. I put in an order to, get rid of these and replace them with the $8 strike price covered calls. However, only some of those got filled. The entire amount of the order did not get filled. If we look at my other position, as you can see, I do have some SoFi $8 covered calls. However, my original intention was to convert all of them to $8 covered calls, but only some of the orders got filled. So I'll try again next week to see if there's a good opportunity to change my remaining $9 covered calls down to $8. Because right now SoFi is at $6.89, and it's the same logic as the other two I've changed. I'm lowering the strike price to gain a little bit more premium, and at the same time, if SoFi were to actually go up to $8 per share, that's like $6,000, right? So I'll be happy either way. Other than that, I think that should be it. If I make any more changes, I'll let you guys know. I'll be making more updates like this in the future. So if you guys want to follow along, you guys want to watch more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.